Alright, welcome back to Nismology, and today what I'm going to teach you how to do is take a transfer case off of an RB26 or SKYLINE GTR transmission. So we're going to take this transfer case off, selling it to someone. So this one's coming off, and this one will be one without the transfer case. Maybe one of the ones that can be donated for the Speed Tech gear set that I have right here. So yeah, this is a dog gear set. So I'm gonna get all of the components, like new bearings, new center housing. So the center housing is this portion right here. So all that's gonna be new. And some more stuff to go along with it. But this right here, I'm taking this off to sell to someone. So just from here, oh, it's coming off for the transfer case. If you don't know, this is the transfer case that's for R33, R32, R34 GTR. R34 has a get track, but I'm pretty sure this transfer case is similar, or it's more the same. It's the same. So let's get this off. So what you want to do, first thing first, what you want to do is make sure that it is empty. So what we're going to do now is pop the drain plug off, which is here. And we're going to make sure this thing is empty before I crack it open. I don't want it to spill all over the place. It's kind of why I got this material here on the ground, so it doesn't get all over the garage floor, which is a lot of some of the stuff has before. So let's be smart about it. Let's make sure this is drained first, and then we'll go from there. All right, literally took me about 5 minutes, less than that to make it, maybe a minute. We've got a brick. It's got old toolbox propped up there on the front, and I already broke this side loose. So let's see what's in here. Is there anything in here? Oh shit, yes there is. Yes there is. Well, it's pretty clean. Pretty clean. So let's put this on the take all the bolts off from around the casing itself. You can see all the ones that's going to be connected to this portion of the transfer case. Once they're all off, we're going to take the shifter housing off here, and there are 2 pins in here that's gonna, once you start pulling this apart, it's gonna come about maybe that far apart. And then there are 2 pins in there. You knock the small one out first and then the big one out second. So, and just try not to drop the pins. I'm gonna do my best not to get those dropped in this transmission. So, let's get it done. All right, just for those, you're gonna have 2 bolts inside the shifter. So that one, which is 12 mil, this is a 14. And also there are bolts that's gonna be facing the rear of the car. All those are the same size. So that one, and they go all the way around. I think it's like 5 of them, and they're all the same size. So remember, once they go, the ones that go back towards the rear of the car, back towards the shaft, which is there, those are all the same size 14s. That's right there. Take these out right here, and you should be golden. And that's a long ass. Got those 2. Those are the 2 that's inside. This is a super duper long one. Might be the longest one out the bunch. But I'm gonna get this pin, which I think is right there. We can still get that one. All right, the first pin, which is right there. Bam. I got my magnet back there behind it. You kind of see it protruding right there at the tip. That's what she said, right there at the tip. So what we're gonna do is, got my punch here. I'm gonna go here, and we're just gonna tap it out. Just gonna tap it out slowly, and then that'll give this shifter to come back. And it actually, there are 2 pins in here, so be careful. So to knock this one out, and then there's one more that's behind it. All right, just another little trick. I know most people are gonna be tempted to put it all the way back so you can get to that pin, but once you do that, you don't have room enough to like get that angle in there. So what you can do is put it in neutral, which is, you know, right there. Put it in neutral, hold it to the side. I just got a bar right here, just holding it to the side. Once you hold it to the side, or if you got somebody to, you know, help you, just have them hold it and you tap that pin out that's right there, which is easy. I mean, I can do it by myself, but just tap the pin out and you kind of see it protruding right there. You see? That's the pin. It's two of them. So it's not just that one. So that's the smaller one that's coming out in the middle. The center pin, I would say. And this is the outer pin, I want to say, whatever. So you got to tap that one out. Once you tap that one out, it should be home free. And just to show you guys what I'm using, like, you don't need no special tools. You don't need to go and buy nothing crazy. Just to get the pin started, I use my punch, which was just that one right there. You can get one similar, or you can make one. Just shave down a old Phillips head screwdriver you're not using, which I got a small one here that fits right in that hole. So that's gonna fit right in that hole. And what I'm gonna do now is just tap that right on out. And if it falls, it's gonna fall right there for me. So I don't know if this is the case, but I'm taking mine out standing up like this. I guess it depends on your strength. So once I get past this, I'll let you guys know. It just goes to show you, once you knock it out, it might go ping ping, you know, ping pong. Just get your magnet and ping pong, get on back there. It's right there. Magnet got it. It's magnetic. Magnetic, put it on out. Woogie, woogie, woogie. It's electric. Hey, bam. That's the first one. Alright, use my same punch. Just catch the edge right there of it and tap it right on out. Same way, baby. Same way. Actually, you don't even have to knock it all the way out. See, if you see here, mine is not all the way out. It's still in there. That far, I don't know how far that is, so I can tell you, but you know, I can pull the shifter up and down, bam, bam, bam. No issues. So now what you want to do is get ready to, I guess, tap this transfer case up and see if it comes off of the main housing here. Which I guess I can give a few taps here and see what happens, but don't lose your pins. Just make sure you keep all that stuff safe. Put them in a bag. I'm gonna sit mine right there. Let's see if we can get something separated. You gotta hit it too hard, just enough to try and separate it from the housing itself. Because there's silicone all around this, so that's another thing. You want to make sure that all your bolts are out, all your silicone is off. This bolt doesn't matter. It's just for your exhaust hanger, I want to say. All right, so once you get everything out, all the bolts are off. You see, most of my bolts are still in that same spot. So whenever I give it to them, I want them to see that these bolts went here, and I just give them a bag of bolts, and you'll know where in the hell they all went. But as you can wiggle it up, I just use screwdriver and a pry bar, and it's up now. So what I'm gonna do now is try. I'm gonna lift this milk off, lift it up off of here. I'm gonna put it on the ground. So give me a moment. Long as nothing like obstructing or stuck or anything crazy about the like else that's on there. You gotta watch Nissan. They make some sneaky shit sometimes. My videos are kind of longer. I want everyone. I want the people to see the video and know what to do. You know, sometimes there might be a little things left out, but that's what the comment section is for. Just ask me or send me a message on YouTube or me on Instagram or something like that, and I try and respond. But just watch the video. All right, gonna lift going up off of here. Hopefully, we will see. Come on, work smoothly, please, please. That's it. Oh, you come. Oh, you coming your way. So, I guess. Art, please. All right, so we get the shift. This is the shifter. So what the hell is holding it on there? Oh, nothing. Nothing. This is it. This is it. It's on the floor. Want some more? All right. Man. Man, that's crazy inside of it. Let me show you guys. Let me show you this. Got it off there. All right, this is inside. It was gooey, gummy looking crap, but it's nothing wrong with it. So that is it. It's all inside of there. So that just got to be cleaned out. But this part right here is actually part of the transmission. So this is all like gear oil. This portion is all automatic transmission, Matic D fluid. So don't get that mixed up if you're refilling this. Transmission, the transfer case is automatic transmission fluid. So don't try and fill through your shifter with freaking gear oil. I mean, I don't know what happened with this one, but I got 4 GTR transmissions. 2 there, this one in the car, and also I got one that's that's don't have that on it. It's just got the gears. So don't judge me. Stop judging me. I'm a hoarder. Shit. Sorry, I'm a hoarder. That's me. Especially for car parts. For my car. But that's it. If you guys like the videos, like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, just hit me up. Peace. Peace. Peace.